welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the compact yet cleverly designed world of urban camping with the JP Star Happy One Plus City Mini Camper. Designed for efficiency, practicality, and everyday usability, this mini camper redefines what small-scale adventure vehicles can offer. First, let's talk about the interior. JP Star is known for maximizing space in compact designs, and the Happy One Plus City Mini Camper is a perfect example of smart craftsmanship. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a well-organized and surprisingly spacious cabin that balances comfort with functionality. The interior features durable upholstery, soft-touch surfaces, and warm wood-style accents that create a cozy atmosphere. The living area includes a compact seating and dining setup that easily converts into a sleeping space, along with wide windows that bring in plenty of natural light. The kitchenette is efficiently laid out with essentials such as a small sink, portable cooktop, storage cabinets, and a compact refrigerator for daily needs. The sleeping area offers a comfortable fold-out bed suitable for city trips and weekend getaways, while the integrated wet bathroom includes a toilet and shower, ensuring basic home comforts on the move. Now, moving to the exterior, the JP Star Happy One Plus City Mini Camper embraces a clean and functional design tailored for urban environments. Its boxy yet modern profile allows for excellent interior space while maintaining a small footprint ideal for narrow streets and tight parking spaces. The exterior is finished with durable paint designed for daily use and easy maintenance. A side-mounted awning provides a convenient outdoor shade area, perfect for quick stops or overnight camping. Compact steel wheels and subtle JP Star branding enhance its practical appearance. Built on a lightweight mini-truck platform, this camper is easy to maneuver and park, making it an excellent choice for city dwellers and first-time camper owners. When it comes to performance, the JP Star Happy One Plus City Mini Camper is powered by a small displacement, fuel-efficient engine designed for reliability and low running costs. It performs confidently in urban traffic and on short highway trips, offering a smooth and stress-free driving experience. The compact engine, paired with a simple suspension setup, ensures stable handling on city roads and light countryside routes. The automatic transmission provides easy driving, especially in stop-and-go traffic. In addition, the camper includes basic driver assistance features such as parking sensors and a rear-view camera, making it easy to navigate tight city spaces. Finally, let's discuss the price. The JP Star Happy One Plus City Mini Camper is positioned as an affordable entry into the camper lifestyle. With a starting price of around $35,000 to $45,000, depending on configuration and market, it offers excellent value for budget-conscious buyers. This price includes the complete camper conversion, essential living features, and the reliability of a proven compact platform. Rather than luxury, the focus here is accessibility and smart design. Investing in the Happy One Plus means choosing freedom, flexibility, and simplicity without breaking the bank. To sum up, the JP Star Happy One Plus City Mini Camper is a smart blend of compact design, everyday usability, and efficient performance. Perfect for city travel, weekend escapes, and minimalist adventures, this mini camper delivers practicality in a small and approachable package. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.